Okay, stop.
Get off the boat here. What the fuck? I'm gonna go in there, Monique, and I'm gonna push it down. Don't die on me, Anna. I'm right behind you. How the fuck do we get under the water? I got it. I got it. I did it.
You also threw it on top of the boards.
Mommy, the point is, we emptied the damn pool. Oh, hell. I just went through a big old... What is that called? A scullet? You know how hard it was to pull it over and push it down and try to get out at the same time? Let me have a drink.
Hey, look at what he did again.
That's all you needed me for. We're hanging it on the fence now? I'm not hanging nothing on the fence.
Yeah, you gotta put it on the fence. You have to let the air out of it, you know.
Fuck the air.
Anna, look what he did.
It will evaporate.
No, you have to let the air out.
I am. Fucking on. I cleaned this pool twice and did all this twice. Third time.
I'm not doing that shit. Not just doing no. Fuck that shit.
And what do I get? $1.
$2 to be exact.
$1.
For doing this 3 times.
$1 each.
No, hell no. You said 2 each.
First of all, before you do anything, you got to throw that other cover on there.
I'm not throwing that up there. Monique, that's your pool.
You throw it on top of the goddamn fence so you guys can clean it off. I don't know why you're pushing.
Monique!
I'm wetting the yard.
You don't need to. Look at all the water.
If I do this, I get her $2.
Okay. But you gotta you gotta, yeah.
Let me help you. No, fuck.
Over here. Hey!
Mommy, it's not easy.
Are you gonna listen to me first of all?
No, I'm not.
Okay, I'm telling you.
Obviously.
Put it on this fence right here.
Where